64 degrees in Brandon and Wesley Chapel. Everybody's in the 60s. Everybody is incredibly warm compared to yesterday morning. It is a huge difference. South winds, right? So the 60s go all the way up into Crystal River, all the way up into Georgia this morning. Mid-70s down over South Florida, getting muggy, as well as that south wind does tend to pull up the humidity, bringing in some more of that tropical air. And then behind the front, the drier air is up here now, moving in through Louisiana and Mississippi. That will be here tomorrow morning. And you really see when this is all going to happen. Today it's going to be warm, windy, and muggy. That's what today is going to be. 80 dew points in the 60s. Then this evening, a line of rain and storms moves through. But watch what happens after that. Look at that drier air, real dry air, which is going to flow in for a few days behind this cold front. This cold front sparked a lot of severe weather yesterday, and the chance is still there, especially along the Panhandle, going up through Georgia and the Carolinas. Our severe weather threat in the Tampa area is low, okay? Not that we couldn't get a quick, strong, spin up of a thunderstorm and some gusty winds this evening, but in general, our severe weather threat for Tampa is low. It's a little bit higher around Citrus County. You're at a marginal risk, but much higher in areas shaded in yellow across I-10 and then up through Georgia and the Carolinas. But when is all this going to happen? Here's 9 a.m. We're good. Just clouds and sunshine. A very windy day. That's the one thing I think you're going to notice during the daylight hours today is just how much wind there is going to be. Then at about 6 o'clock, please check in with Paul, because he's going to have a little squall line of rain and thunderstorms on the radar, getting ready to move on shore. So please, before you go out this evening, check in. Once this line is through, then the cooler, drier air settles back in, but only for a couple of days. It's not going to be cold for long. So high temperature today will be around 80 degrees. Showers, a couple of thunderstorms this evening. 64 for a high tomorrow, then 67 on Friday. I think Saturday is going to be a delightful day for the invasion and the parade. Fantastic. And even Sunday's warmer with highs back in the upper 70s.